Hi everyone, so I'm going to teach you how to make an origami cup. So first off, you fold it in half and then get the tip, and put it at the bottom and make that. You do this, and then you put this tip to the end of this line here, and then crease it, and then do the same with the other one. But if this is too long, you can just do this, and then put this here. And then you fold that, and then fold the back. And there you go. You have an origami cup. All you have to do is open the middle. Okay, so now let's do how to make a hat. So you fold it like here. Also, sorry, my hands are really dry. And now you fold this corner up here, this corner up here, and then you just fold that to the bottom, to this here, and now, so you have this. And now you just fold it like this. And now you just fold this little flap up, but not all the way. Leave like a little thing here. And now you just fold that there. And now for the back, you just fold it all the way up. So yeah, if you just heard someone say stay here, that's my mom talking to Jewel. So there you go. So that's how you make an origami cup and an origami hat. If you enjoyed this, please leave a like and subscribe if you enjoy my content. And have a good day. Bye.